Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to plot points on a coordinate plane. This is a fundamental skill in algebra that helps us locate precise positions using numbers. First, let's understand the map we are using. The coordinate plane is built from two number lines that cross each other. The horizontal line is called the x-axis. The vertical line is called the y-axis. The exact point where they cross is called the origin. It is very important to remember which direction corresponds to which axis. The x-axis handles horizontal movement, meaning left and right. The y-axis handles vertical movement, meaning up and down. Locations on the graph are written as ordered pairs. They look like this, with two numbers inside parentheses. The first number is always the x-coordinate, and the second number is always the y-coordinate. The order is strictly fixed. Let's break it down. We always start at the origin. The first number, the x-coordinate, tells us how far to move sideways. If the number is positive, we move to the right. If it is negative, we move to the left. The second number, the y-coordinate, tells us how far to move vertically from that new spot. A positive number means we go up. A negative number means we go down. Let's try an example with the point 3, 2. We start at the origin. The first number is a positive 3, so we move 3 units to the right. The second number is a positive 2, so we move 2 units up. There is our point. Now let's try a negative number. Our point is negative 4, 3. Start at the origin. Since the first number is negative 4, we move left 4 units. The second number is positive 3, so we move up 3 units. What happens if there is a 0? Let's plot the point 2, 0. We start at the origin. Move right 2 units for the positive 2. The y-coordinate is 0, which means we do not move up or down at all. We stay right on the line. To wrap up, remember these key rules. Always start at the center, the origin. The first number is your left or right movement. The second number is your up or down movement, just like walking to an elevator before you can go up or down.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.